credit shall be given, credit, read credit as marks. Marks shall be given for effective and exact expression. ये सबसे बड़े keywords हैं यहाँ पे. Effective, effective means that kind of writing which has an impact on the mind of the evaluator. कि आपने जो भी लिखा है उससे वो सोचने पे मजबूर है. ऐसा नहीं कि वो ये सोचे कि इसने क्यों ही लिखा है, ऐसा ना सोचे, वो सोचने पे मजबूर हो जाए कि इसने क्या लिखा है. ठीक है, तो वो तभी होगा when you understand the topic, when you have ability to break the topic into subtopics, when you can generate ideas, generate statements, defend them, have a scientific temper, critical mindset, good command over the topic, good communication skill, only then this is possible. Effective means that whether whatever you are writing, whether it is having an impact on mind or not, that's the next thing that UPSC checks. And then it says marks shall be awarded for exact expression as well. Exact expression का मतलब क्या है? It means that whatever you are writing should be accurate and it should be precise. Now accuracy and precision are two different things. Accurate means like आपने कुछ समझ लो, अपना कोई टॉपिक आप लिख रहे हैं और उसमें आप कुछ करंट अफेयर से कोई डेटा यूज करना चाहते हैं, तो जो डेटा आपने यूज किया है वो फैक्चुअली करेक्ट है या नहीं. यह समझ लो जैसे कि आपको सबने आपने ये कोट सुना होगा, बी द चेंज यू वांट टू सी इन द वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, गिव मी योर ब्लड एंड आई शैल गिव यू फ्रीडम, जस्टिस इज माय और फ्रीडम इज माय बर्थ राइट. You have heard about all these quotes, right? So who said that freedom is my birthright and I shall have it? Who said this? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. But suppose in the paper you write freedom is my birthright and I shall have it, said by Jawaharlal Nehru. Do you understand that? So you are giving a factually wrong information. In that case you will not be getting marks even if your idea suits very well with the arguments that you are trying to raise. तो accurate आपको होना पड़ेगा. और जब आप किसी को कोट करते हैं, it means you write within quotes, then you have to write exactly what the person said. You cannot misquote the person. Otherwise, you should not use quote, and you should just draw a hyphen and said that as Lal Bahadur Shastri said in one of his speeches, as Martin Luther King said in one of his speeches. वहाँ पे आप उनका वो लाइन यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, वहाँ पे आप एसेंस पकड़ रहे हो उनके कोट का, उनके कोट को नहीं पकड़ रहे. लेकिन वो कैंडिडेट्स जो एग्जैक्टली कहीं कहीं पे कोट्स यूज करेंगे, स्पेशली व्हेन दे आर बिगिनिंग द एसे और दे आर क्लोजिंग द एसे, डेफिनेटली दे विल हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एडवांटेज ओवर अदर्स. सो लुक हियर, एक्यूरेट का मतलब होता है दैट यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग दोज आर्ग्यूमेंट्स व्हिच आर factually correct. It means you are not misrepresenting the facts. It could be data facts, it could be idea facts, it could be quote facts, it could be anything. Do you understand that? You are not misrepresenting anything. Like suppose you are writing an essay on the Israel-Palestine conflict, but you are misquoting or you are providing wrong data or you are doing propaganda. Do you understand that? On either side, कुछ भी हो सकता है. You are not going to get marks on that. Precise means what? Precise means that you will only answer that thing what has been asked. It is another way of saying that you will remain topical. Precise means that you always address the what is being asked. You don't go away from it. You don't add other whats. You only address that what which is integrated in the topic. जो पूछा गया है आप उसी के बारे में लिख रहे हैं, वो नहीं कि आपने खुद से अपने मन में एक पूछ लिया सवाल और उसका आप आंसर कर रहे हैं. You are not going to get marks for that.